Write each mixed number as decimal. When we have whole number and fraction, this is mixed number. We have to change this to decimal. So first I will write this as the sum. We have like 2 plus 7 over 9. It's still 2 and 7 over 9. And now 2 is whole number, so we can left. We have to change only to decimal 7 over 9. So we will do long division. We have to divide 7 by 9. How many times you can put 9 to 7? 0. Because 0, so we have to add after 7 decimal point. It's always invisible after whole number and few zeros. And now 0 times 9 is 0. We do subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. We take down first 0 and take up decimal point. 70 divided by 9, 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtraction again. 70 minus 63 is 7. To take down next 0, so we have again 70 divided by 9. So it will be 7 again. 7 times 9, 63. Subtraction again, so it will be 7. We take down another 0 and we have still 70 divided by 9 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. So we see that we cannot finish this long division. 7 repeats. So we can rewrite 7 over 9 that this is 0.777. But when we have in long division number which repeats, we just write the beginning 0.7 and we don't repeat the 7, we just write the bar above 7. It means that this number repeats. And now 2 plus 0.7 is 2.7, and of course we cannot forget about bar above. It means this 7 repeats. We change mixed number to decimal number. And next example, 8 and 6 over 10, we can rewrite that this is 8 plus 6 over 10. 8 is whole number, so we can left this whole number, and 6 over 10. To change to decimal number, how we do this? We copy 8 plus, we copy whatever we have in the numerator is 6. We count how many zeros we have in denominator. When you have in denominator 10, 100, 1000, 1 million, then we can do this. We just copy whatever we have in the numerator is 6. 1 zeros in denominator, so we count 1 digit from the right to left because we have 1 0, so here will be decimal point and we have to add 0. So 8 and 6 tenths, this is 8.6 as the decimal. This is my solution.